Welcome to a new vlog. I just ran into Homesense and Save on Foods, got some groceries, bought a new comforter. I want to give you guys a little house update. What is going on here? So many notifications. I need to go to Ikea this week to get a bunch of stuff. I'm also getting my Bed Bath & Beyond order. Should arrive tomorrow. All the kitchen things that I ordered. I also need to sell a bunch of furniture, just stuff that didn't work in this house. Things are coming together and I will show you guys the updates. This is the comforter that I picked up. It is the Ralph Lauren down alternative comforter. Homesense had a few different options for queen comforters. I googled this one and I saw a bunch of reviews on Amazon that seemed pretty good, so went for it. I'm hoping that it is fluffy. I like the feeling of down comforters, but I didn't want to get an actual down. This feels pretty good. All right, well, we'll have to give it a go. We are now in the guest bedroom. I don't have a bed frame yet. That's what I need to pick up from Ikea. I'm just moving my old comforter into here. The cover that I'm using is from Ikea. I got a set of this gray. The pillowcases are in my bedroom. I honestly kind of just have 3 different sets that I'm mixing up. They're white, gray, and then this linen fitted sheet is white and gray. So they just all work together, but I like the combination versus just like using the straight set of all the same color or print, you know? So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so there's that. Obviously not too much to see in this room yet, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated when there's something to update you on. My order from Bed Bath & Beyond just got delivered, but they put it at the door and I can't open the door because the boxes are blocking it. It's a weird layout that my door is, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to like loop around the house and go pick it up. There's 3 boxes. This might be everything. I'm not sure. It said that it was gonna come on 2 separate days. I guess we will find out. Box number 1. Okay, this might be what I'm most excited for. Is my door not closed? Why does it keep doing that? Okay. I got the Smeg toaster. I have been wanting this toaster for a while. I got the silver one. It is so beautiful. I feel like with small appliances, if you're gonna be keeping them out on your counter, they should be cute. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, the tray just fell out. So there we have it. Item number 1, very beautiful. Okay, we have another Smeg product here. I also got a coffee maker from Smeg. I got this one in silver, but I think it's like a darker gray versus stainless steel. I don't have a coffee maker. I always just use French press, which is great for me or even like me and Colby, but it only makes 2 cups of coffee. So if you're wanting refills or if you have people over, it kind of sucks because you can't make more than 2 cups. This will be great for when people are over or if you feel like having 5 cups of coffee to yourself. Here we are. Oh, you know what? It's definitely darker, but it still goes. So this is like 10 cups. Although I feel like a mug of coffee is more like 2 cups, so you could probably make 5 cups of coffee. That is a good looking coffee maker. Not gonna lie. Cute! We also have a pack of Brita water filters in this box because I got a Brita filter, which I'm hoping is in the 3rd box. In my last house, we had filtered water in our fridge. This fridge doesn't have any sort of water system, so we've just been drinking tap water. Vancouver actually has really good tap water, but still, I'd rather be drinking filtered water. So to be honest, I'm pretty stoked for the water filter. I'm on to the last box. Guys, the water filter's not in here. I'm so sad. That means it's gonna be coming on Wednesday. So the order did get split. Colby is most excited for this. I feel like this is like a baby shower or like housewarming, you know? all these gifts that I'm opening. Somebody commented on one of my last videos saying that I'm pregnant because we rushed to move to this bigger house. Which, by the way, this is a 2-bedroom place, but it's not big. Like, it's still pretty small. And there's just a lot of reasons why we moved. It wasn't as rushed as it probably seemed to you guys. And yeah, I'm not pregnant. Whoa, okay. This Instapot comes in 3 sizes. I got the largest one. Now that I see it, it's pretty freaking huge. I could have gone for the medium, I think. I'm gonna have to play around with this because you can make a lot of different things with this. Soup, stew, chili, cake? How do you make cake with an Instapot? Rice, porridge, yogurt? Interesting. I honestly have no idea how to use this, so I'm gonna have to learn. But that is half of my Bed Bath & Beyond haul. Pretty stoked about all of these things. You guys are balancing on top of a vodka bottle right now. I'm about to head out, gonna do some shopping. I'm hoping this will be one of my last home stuff shops, although there's probably gonna be a few more, but I definitely feel like I'm getting close to having everything that I need for the house. We're gonna go to Ikea, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Homesense. The reason I'm going to Bed Bath & Beyond is because the Instapot that I got has a dent in the side. I don't think it's actually gonna affect how it works, but just to be safe, I thought I would exchange it for a new one. Luckily, they have a really good return policy. I was a little bit worried that since I ordered it online, I wouldn't be able to return it in store, but I called them, they said it's totally fine. I have a list of things that I'm looking for, hoping to knock most of them off the list. I might have to order a couple things online. I really wanna get the guest room together pretty quick because we have 3 guests on the way. Like 3 separate stays. So the room is definitely gonna be getting used and it's just not ready yet. Let's head out and I'll show you guys what I pick up. I am not proud of what I am doing right now.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Do you guys still do breakfast? Like, could I do the BLT?
We have to make a BLT, yeah.
Thank you. I pretty much never eat McDonald's. I honestly don't even eat a lot of fast food in general. Oh, it has egg on it? I didn't want egg on it. I'm taking the egg off. There's still egg, shit. We are refueled for the rest of the shopping trip. I did not find anything at Homesense, unfortunately, and then I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and they didn't have the larger Instapot in stock. They could have ordered it in, but I was kind of thinking about going with the smaller one in the first place, so I just exchanged it and got the smaller size, and now I have a credit, so I can get some more stuff there. I just can't think of what I need right now, so I'm gonna hang on to it because I know something will pop up eventually. But we are rolling up to Ikea now. Someone is getting towed. Hopefully we have a little more luck here. Ooh, here's a good spot. I always have really good luck with parking. Put out the good vibes, things work out. Why, hello, little cute girl. I just depotted this fake plant. It was actually so much harder than I expected. It was really glued into this pot, but I think the white looks way better than the black. So there's the finished look of that. I still have a tag on here that I need to cut off. I never realized. Oh, there we go. This is the lampshade that I got from Ikea. I got 2 different bulb options. This is the cord that goes along with it. I don't think I'm gonna try installing that myself just in case I electrocute myself, but I watched some videos online. It doesn't look super hard, but better safe than sorry. But yeah, that will be hanging from there. I'll show you guys once it's installed. I also got this container to store stuff underneath the bed. 2 placemats so we don't destroy this nice new table. I'm not gonna leave them out, but just when we have dinners and stuff, I thought these would be nice. And the bed frame, I will show you guys this once it's set up. What's going on in here? Do you want help? Okay. Doesn't match that, but whatever. The bed frame that I got is the Tarva. It was only 140. I think it was on special, but it's definitely one of the cheapest options for bed frames at Ikea. second box has arrived. This is the rest of the stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond. Are you gonna unbox it?
Oh my god, it's a Brita!
I'm excited for that.
It's a hand mixer.
This is a frying pan. Do you
Pretty
think
good
that's,
size.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, it'll work.
I like how it looks. It's kind of like a, like stone? What would you call that? I don't even know. That's pretty much everything that I'm going to be getting for the house for now. I do need to get a few more things to finish up the guest room, and I mentioned that I want to switch up the linens on my bed. I did want to mention one thing though. I need to go back to Ikea today because I actually bought the wrong lamp, and I feel like this is something that other people could get confused about too, so I wanted to include it in this video. I wanted the ceiling lamp. This can be a ceiling lamp, but I assumed that this was the cord that connects to the ceiling, but it is not. This is where the light bulb goes. On the other end, it is a plug, not wires to connect to the ceiling. Just wanted to let you guys know in case you are interested in getting the ceiling lamp. I'm also gonna pick up a couple more of those storage boxes that go underneath the bed. It's really good for just storing random stuff out of the way. So yeah, maybe I'll just vlog a little bit more of today and then I'll sign out after my Ikea run. I just got out of Ikea. I got these strawberry, they're like little gummy snacks. I don't really know how I feel about them. They're pretty sour. They're okay. I don't think there's, oh my god. I was gonna say, I feel like there's probably not a lot of sugar in it. There's 35 grams of sugar in this bag. I should not have eaten the whole thing. Whatever. I also got a bag of almonds. Update on the lamp situation. So there's actually two different Hemna cord sets for the thing. One of them attaches to the ceiling and the other one is an outlet situation. This is the proper cord set. It's just confusing because they're both called Hemma. So yeah, this one connects to the roof. Let's scare him.
I actually have so much stuff to get.
I think that'll be it for the home update videos, but I am going to be filming a full apartment tour. She looks so cute. I'll film a full apartment tour and then you guys can see the final results and the rest of the updates. So hopefully that will be filmed decently soon. Until then, I will be posting other videos and vlogs, so I'm sure there will be some home stuff thrown in to those ones as well. So yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it or if you just want to support me and my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And social media links down below. See you guys next Monday. Bye.